Hi students. Today I'm going to talk about the books and what we are going to do for ICSE 10th. So this is the beginning of the year, so we will be having a big question mark during this lockdown or during this pandemic situation. So what to do? So students, don't worry about it. The first thing please follow the instructions. So you will be like successful at the end of the year. Okay. The first thing what you have to do, student, is that first of all, you have to refer your core book. In ICSE, especially for mathematics, there are two books. One is the Frank, other one is the Selena book. So you can refer both of them for the practice. I would suggest that if you have a Frank book, you can refer Selena book, or the one who is having Selena book, you can prefer Frank book. So both are important, student, for the practice. And keep a target till September, or it may be across October month also. But please keep a target and finish your subject. One day you cannot be being a topper of the class. That is not possible. Practice is needed, students. So you have to keep a target till at least October, September. You can at least keep a target and finish your syllabus. And the second thing is that you have to do with the core book specially. You have to thorough with all the questions. Again and again practice. Practice is needed, student. And compared to Frank, there are many questions in Selena which is very useful, but it's quite lengthy, student. But every day you plan yourself and practice and solve the questions. So it will be very easy for you, student. And another thing is that there are certain books which doesn't have solution, especially for the Frank book. For Selena, it will be easily available in the websites like Vedantu, Byju's and Topper Learning. These are the websites where you can get the solution for Selena book. But what about the Frank book? Usually we don't get the Frank book solution online. So what you prefer, a specific book is there for ICSE 10th Mathematics Frank book. That is Arundeep's Self-Help ICSE Mathematics. And it's very useful, student. That maybe after a while I will review that book, but it is very useful. Why? Because it is a complete solution of that book, of Frank book. Okay, so during this lockdown, all the questions cannot be solved during the class. So you will have some certain situation where you are not able to solve it. So you can prefer that book, student. Okay. So then after that, what you are going to do? After you finish everything, you are clear with your concepts. After that, start practicing 10-year sample paper, or question banks will be available on many websites. You can refer that. Okay. And I would suggest that don't buy Oswald book. Why? Because that book you can buy. That is no issue at all. But when you buy it, a lot of questions should be there for practice. But there are not, a lot of questions are not available in that book. So I would suggest that refer any other book, or 10 years question paper is available. Normal from the bookshop, you can buy it. The next one is, like, you are thorough, you are finished with practice, and like how you feel confident that you are done with the subject. You can take refer from, like, there are many websites or many academies who actually run the test series. There is a called test series. What is this test series is? It is not for whole year, student. They keep it for 2 months. Most probably they will keep it at Jan month and December month. So where you can actually go for the test series, and you can have an idea how the question paper pattern, and you can make a time management. Time management is very important, especially in mathematics, student, because you have to finish your paper within 2 hours. Okay, so that is very difficult, but as you practice, or when you get habitual of doing it, you will get it. Okay, now this is the test series. And another thing, like, you don't have the books, like Selena book you don't have, you can refer the link which I given below my videos. Please refer to it for the soft copy of the book. Second thing is that for the solution of ICSE 10th Frank, you can buy from the link that is I am going to provide. It is from Arundeep's ICSE website. You can refer from that, and I am going to review that book now for 10th standard as well as for 9th standard students. Don't worry, student. Everything happens for the reason. So please start studying and achieve your success. Okay. All the best, students. Now I'll start with reading the books. I hope it will be useful for you. Okay. So today I am going to review this book, which is Arundeep's Self-Help to ICSE. This is brought from the Arundeep's website, and it is a solution of Frank book. Most of the time we get the solution for Selena book, but very rarely we get the solution of Frank book, that is Frank ICSE Mathematics. So for that only, for the reference only, I brought this book. It is very helpful. Plus one more thing is that most of the students will have a question that whether this book has some extra content or any sample paper. Well, it is not. It is clearly or it is completely a solution of Frank book questions. But I would suggest to buy, because many students face problem during this lockdown in many situations that you are not able to solve it. So for that we need the solution at least in hand, especially for mathematics. Though we in other subject we can refer the lessons and all, but for this we need the solution. Okay, so the first page, this is the index, the first page of it. And another thing is that this is the index. All the chapters is covered, student. Even the board paper, then miscellaneous exercise, everything is covered from till the end. You will find that this is the book which I brought for the 10th. Okay, this is actually I brought it for my students. So well, this is a very useful and very helpful book. And for the one who is going to refer the sample paper or for the practice, I would suggest don't buy this book as for the sample paper or the practice. For that you will have some other book, that is like question bank, then Oswald books, that you can prefer, student. But this is a complete solution book which is very useful. And another thing is that this is the only book which is the solution of Frank book that is available till now. And it is available in this Arundeep's website, and the link is provided below the videos. Please refer to it if you want to buy. Okay, students, this is actually for 10th standard. And another thing, if you want to buy the sample, like you will have a rough idea how the book is, it is available, student. The sample or the ebook of this PDF file is given, it is available in the website, student. You can refer it. And second thing I have brought, this is, it was around 490, student, but I brought it with an offer price, so it will be available less than 490 price. So you can refer this as a book with like affordable price. It is not at all costly. Then second one we are going to refer is 9th standard. This is for 10th, other one is 9th. And why I would suggest the reference book as per now, because during the lockdown all the questions are not being solved during the class. So for that purpose only I am telling you, student, please buy this reference book. It's really helpful. Plus I have the 9th book also. Actually I covered this book properly. So now we'll see the next book, student. This is ICSE 9th. Okay, it is completely covered one, which I usually cover my books. Now this is my ICSE 9th standard book. It's very useful. This is for Frank book. And this is all complete, same as 10th standard. This is the same book. But only thing, this is for 9th standard. And it's completely new. And this is the solution of all the chapters. It will be available, student. Even the last miscellaneous exercise. I hope this book review is very useful for you, and the link for both the book I have provided below my channel. Please refer to it if you want to buy, and I hope you will like the videos, and please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching my videos. Be safe, student.